You can't simply break away from Earth, no matter how high you jump. This is because of gravity. The lighter an object, the less it pulls other objects towards it. The moon is much lighter than Earth, so it exerts less pull on you. If you were to jump on the moon, you could jump up to 6 meters high. Jupiter is much heavier than Earth, so the gravitational force here is much greater. If you were to jump on Jupiter, you wouldn't get very high at all. Gravity doesn't only work on small things like you. It also causes planets and stars to pull towards each other. And it even causes star systems to pull towards each other with such force that they collide. There are places in the universe where the gravitational force is so strong that even light cannot escape. We call these places black holes. Most black holes were created by the collapse of extremely heavy stars, sometimes even millions of times heavier than the Sun. So much matter comes together in an extremely small space that the gravitational force increases enormously. 150 million kilometers may sound like a long way, but in the universe, it's just around the corner. That's how far away our Sun is, the closest star to us. It takes 8 minutes for its light to reach us. The next star is Proxima Centauri. It will take you more than 100,000 years to travel there by rocket. It's so far away that we no longer measure the distance in kilometers, but in light years. That's the distance that light travels in 1 year, about 9 billion kilometers. But much greater distances are also possible. One of the furthest known star systems is 13.4 billion light years away. It is in the Ursa Major constellation. The furthest that we can see is 13.8 billion light years away. That is because our universe is 13.8 billion years old. The light emitted by stars further away than that has not yet had enough time to reach us. And we can't see it, but it is possible that the universe is infinite. As far as we know, this crater is the coldest place in our solar system. It is 4 kilometers deep, so deep that it never sees any sunlight. An even colder place has been discovered outside of our solar system, in the Boomerang Nebula in the constellation of Taurus, just 5,000 light years away. It's almost impossible to find anywhere colder than this. The coldest possible temperature is 1 degree lower. We call this absolute zero. You'll never encounter this temperature in real life, but you can come very close in a laboratory. Let's quickly move on to warmer climes. Venus, the warmest planet in our solar system. But our Sun is much warmer, albeit rather cold in comparison with other stars in the universe. Stars such as blue supergiants are 9 times hotter than our Sun. But that's nothing compared to this white dwarf. This is a little star that has reached the end of its life. The star collapses to form a white dwarf, releasing huge amounts of heat. Very large stars do not collapse when they reach the end of their lives. Instead, they explode. This is called a supernova. Very occasionally, you can see a supernova for a couple of weeks as a bright star in the night sky. The temperature in a supernova is one of the highest in the entire universe. The Earth seems large to us, but things can get a lot larger. This is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It is 11 times the size of Earth.
It's starting again, same thing.